Hey friends, this video is amazing because we're gonna dive into the cut and paste reimagined fashion couture world. I'm transforming an ordinary magazine model into extraordinary styles icons with unexpected outfits that don't exist anywhere else using the magic of collage. Thanks for being in my channel. Welcome once again. This is Maria here. And let me know, have you ever wondered what happens when models from magazines meet scissors, glue, and a creative mind? Stay in this episode because you're gonna love the final result. And also, I'm gonna be showing you my collection of models inside a special sketchbook that I'm gonna be using to have them all in the same place. And as you can see here, every model I grab from a magazine. Sometimes we have tons of magazines piled up in a corner, in a drawer, in a shelf, and we don't know what to do with them and we don't know what to look inside them. I consider magazines as a rich source of materials and beautiful images and ideas that we can use inside our journals, agendas, junk journals, and even diaries. So that's why I'm showing you how can you transform a simple picture of a model into something different. Also, I named this video Reinvent Yourself because while you're doing this, you're showing into the paper and you're telling to your hands what is in your brain. I mean, you allow your imagination to be free, you unleash your creativity. So, I hope you get a lot of inspiration. Don't stop only watching this video, go grab your magazines, and if you have a new idea, a different prompt you want to try, please try it on. The idea of this video is to motivate you, and this actually is a technique to totally disconnect from our daily life, from our problems, from our real world. So take this 15 minutes, 20 minutes as a time for you and your creativity to be together. And I'm pretty sure your soul is going to be very grateful. Thanks for watching once again. Thanks for being here till the end. And I'm going to show it closer to you so you can see details. And remember, every model is only the foundation of the collage. And then you can put on it anything you can possible imagine. Don't go away without leaving me a comment. What is your best way to reinvent yourself? Do you have anyone? Let me know in the comments. And please, if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. I see you very soon in my next creative episode. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Take care.